Your do now task is to write a definition for each of the following words: carnivore, herbivore, and omnivore. You will have learned those words when you were learning about a dinosaur's diet. Today's learning objective is to plan and write a story. We will do this by listening to a sample story and using the ideas to plan our own. The story that you're going to listen to is called The Great Fossil Find. You need to listen carefully, and then we will be changing some of the details to create your own fossil story. One bright morning in the town of Al Warqa in Dubai, Haya and her little brother Hassan were awoken by their dad. They quickly leapt out of their beds and ran downstairs to discover Dad waiting for them with a shovel. "We're going to Mushrif Park. Hurry up and get dressed." A few hours later, they arrived at the massive green park and saw lots of people carefully digging with shovels. Haya and Hassan were confused. "What are we going to do?" Dad pointed towards a sign saying, "The Great Al Warqa Fossil Hunt." After hours of tireless searching, the children were beginning to get bored when all of a sudden they discovered some ancient, fragile bones. More hours passed, and the digging revealed the body of a tall mammoth Tyrannosaurus Rex. Later that day, the park was packed with visitors, all wanting to see the new discovery. The children became known as the famous fossil finders. Now it's your turn. So as you saw, that story had a beginning, a middle, and an ending. Yours will be similar. But first you need to decide, who will your characters be? Where is your story going to be set? Will it be in a big field? Will it be in a park, like Mushrif Park? Will it be in your own garden? Where will the characters go to find the fossil? What will they find? Will they also find some old bones? Will they find some teeth? Will they find a footprint? And how will your story end? If the children find a fossil, everyone's going to be pretty excited. You will use the story templates in the folder to write the beginning, the middle, and ending of your story. There is also a word bank to help you choose some interesting vocabulary. Let's take a look. Okay, so here are some words that you can use to describe different parts of the story. For example, sunny, cheerful, peaceful, gloomy. These are words that might be suitable to describe the day. At the bottom we have humongous, remarkable, colossal, impressive. These words, adjectives, can be used to describe what the children may find. Now let's take a look at the plan. Each part of the story can be seen at the top, so this is the beginning, and you are going to change some of the details. So for example, one bright morning in the town of, so you can change it. Maybe you can pick another town in Dubai. So you need to choose your characters. So for example, we could put Ahmed and his or her brother. So Ahmed is a boy, so it will be Ahmed, and his brother Hamid were awoken by their, does not have to be their dad. Maybe in this story they're awoken by their mum. They quickly, something out of their beds. What doing word could we use? We could check our word bank. Okay, let's use leapt. Oh, leapt is the one we've already got, so let's choose jumped. Out of their beds, and what did they do? Did they get dressed? Did they run downstairs? Did they eat their breakfast? Did they brush their teeth? Okay, let's say they got dressed. Dad was waiting for them with a... Well, in the original story, it's a shovel. Maybe this time, their dad's waiting for them with a metal detector. That would make for good fossil hunting. We are going to... You can pick a park that they might be going to. Maybe they're going to Safa Park. Hurry up, and so what did they need to do? They got dressed, maybe eat their breakfast, brush their teeth, get in the car. So, eat your breakfast. Okay, and let's close the speech marks. Now we've successfully created the beginning of our story. So one bright morning in the town of, so we can choose a town. Okay, maybe Mirdif. So one bright morning in the town of Mirdif, Ahmed and his brother Mohammed were awoken by their mum. They quickly jumped out of their beds and got dressed. Dad was waiting for them with a metal detector. We're going to Safa Park. Hurry up and eat your breakfast. So we've used the same plan that we had in the same layout from the original story, but we have just changed some of the details to make it our own. Now it's your turn to change it even more to make it your own, and you also need to complete the middle and the ending of your story.